A minor segment is enclosed between a chord of length 10 centimeters and a segment of a circle whose radius is 14 centimeters, and the angle subtending it is 120 degrees. Calculate the area of the segment. So to be able to do that, we need to draw a sketch as shown below. So we have a sketch whereby we have a minor segment enclosed between a chord. So we have a chord and a segment of a circle whose radius is 14 centimeters. So we have that circle has a radius of 14 centimeters. So we have a chord, then we have the arc on the other side. So we have been told, and the angle is 120 degrees. So you need to really understand that we have a minor segment. So it was part of a bigger circle, but now we had a major segment on this side. This one is now a minor segment, but is enclosed between a chord and a segment of a circle whose radius was 14 and the angle is 120. So you are needed to calculate the area. So this chord being 10 centimeters and the two radii are 14 centimeters, it means you can get the area of the triangle using Hero's formula. But given that we also have an angle, we can use a half AB sine theta, which will be easier. So to calculate the area of the segment, we will take the area of the entire sector. So take the area of the sector, then minus the area of the triangle, area of the triangle. So the area of the sector is given by theta all over 360 times pi r squared, being that the area of that sector, this whole sector OAB, is just part of the larger circle, so we'll use pi r squared, then minus the area of the triangle, whereby I've said you can use Hero's formula, or you can say a half AB sine theta. So our angle here is 120 all over 360, then times pi. They didn't mention on anything to use as pi, so you can choose whatever you prefer. So 22 over 7, then times 14 squared. Then we will subtract a half times A and B are the two sides, times 14 times 14, then times the sine of 120 degrees, 120 degrees. So you ensure that when you are computing your values, you are very accurate. So 120 all over 360, then you multiply by 22 all over 7, then you multiply by 14 squared. That would give you 205, and a third if you're using fractions, or 0.33. Then you also take a half, multiply by 14 by 14, then you multiply by the sine of 120. Then here we get 84.87 to 4 significant figures. So this 205.33, then you minus 84.87. So taking up the final answer there, we'll say 205.33, then minus 84.87, then we get 120.46 square centimeters for that particular question.